Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 3rd June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Bicycle Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 3rd June. United Nations celebrates World Bicycle Day every year on 3rd June to advance the use of the bicycle as a means of fostering sustainable development. The theme for World Bicycle Day in 2024 is Promoting Health, Equity, and Sustainability Through Cycling. The day was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in April 2018.
Question number 2. Who has won the Scripps National Spelling Bee 2024 title?
Answer is Brihat Soma. Brihat Soma, a 12-year-old Indian-American, 7th grade student from Florida, has won the Scripps National Spelling Bee Champion 2024 title, along with a Scripps Cup trophy and a $50,000 check. Brihat Soma spelled 29 words correctly in the tiebreaker, surpassing Faizan Zaki by 9 to win the title. With this win, Soma has become the 28th Indian American to hold the prestigious title, having beaten over 228 other competitors, including 7 finalists.
Question number 3. Which Indian origin researcher has discovered a technology that can charge a phone in 1 minute?
Answer is Ankur Gupta. An Indian origin researcher in the United States, US, has discovered a technology that can charge a dead laptop or phone in a minute and an electric car in just 10 minutes. This discovery was made by Ankur Gupta and his team at the University of Colorado Boulder. Ankur Gupta, an assistant professor of chemical and biological engineering at the University of Colorado Boulder in the United States.
Question number 4. Who has become the brand ambassador for tobacco control?
Answer is PV Sindhu. To motivate children and youth to steer clear of tobacco in all forms, Indian badminton maestro PV Sindhu has been designated as the brand ambassador for tobacco control by the Union Health Ministry. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare organized an event on Friday, 31st May 2024, to observe World No Tobacco Day 2024. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on 31st May.
Question number 5. Which Indian has been appointed as Cricket Australia's multicultural ambassadors?
Answer is Ravi Shastri. Former India coach Ravi Shastri and legendary Pakistan cricketer Wasim Akram has been named as Cricket Australia's multicultural ambassadors for 2 years. Cricket Australia is proud to launch its multicultural ambassador program, naming 54 people with diverse background and experience across government, business, sport, media and community as the inaugural representatives.
Question number 6. National Archives of India, NAI, completed its first overseas digitization of diaspora records in.
Answer is Oman. The National Archives of India, NAI, has completed its first overseas digitization of diaspora records in Oman. The project, the Oman Collection, Archival Heritage of the Indian Community in Oman, took place from 19th to 27th May 2024. Over 7,000 documents from 32 Indian families in Oman were digitized. These documents will be available on the NAI's digital portal, Abhilekh Patal.
Question number 7. Which Indian company will manage the Dar es Salaam port of Tanzania?
Answer is Adani Group. The Gautam Adani-owned Adani Group has entered the port business in the African country of Tanzania by securing a 30-year lease of Container Terminal 2 at the Dar es Salaam port. Recently, the Indian government-owned Indian Ports Global Limited secured a 10-year deal to manage and operate the Shahid Beheshti terminal of Chabhar port of Iran.
Question number 8. Krishna Kanhai has unveiled the Golden Krishna exhibition in.
Answer is Dubai. On 31st May 2024, renowned Indian artist Krishna Kanhai unveiled the Golden Krishna collection in Dubai, UAE. Exhibition focuses on Lord Krishna, showcasing Kanhai's latest works. Showcase includes a life-sized 3D painting of Tirupati Balaji, made with 24-karat gold. Painting measures 5 feet by 8 feet, exemplifying Kanhai's signature style.
Question number 9. Who has taken over as the Commandant of Defence Management College?
Answer is Harsh Chibbar. Major General Harsh Chibbar took over as the Commandant of Defence Management College, Sikandarabad on 31st May. He succeeds Rear Admiral Sanjay Dutt, VSM, who has retired after an illustrious 36-year career in the Indian Navy. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Major General Harsh Chibbar was commissioned into the Army Service Corps in December 1988.
Question number 10. Which state has recently included artificial intelligence in the school curriculum?
Answer is Kerala. Kerala has introduced artificial intelligence, AI, learning in the Information and Communication Technology, ICT, textbook for Class 7 students. This initiative aims to familiarize over 4 lakh students with AI in the upcoming academic year, marking a significant step towards enhancing technological education in the state. It is the first time in India that all students in a class are getting an opportunity to learn AI uniformly.
Question number 11. Who has organized the Cold Chain and Logistics Summit in New Delhi?
Answer is FICCI. The Cold Chain and Logistics Summit was organized by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, in New Delhi. The summit aimed to foster collaboration and innovation in developing an integrated, sustainable, and efficient cold chain ecosystem for India's perishable goods industry.
Question number 12. Who is the chief guest of Supply Chain Conference 2024?
Answer is Saurav Ganguly. Blue Ocean Corporation's flagship event, the International Procurement and Supply Chain Conference 2024 was held on the 1st June 2024 at Taj Lands End, Mumbai. Veteran cricketer, chairman of ICC Cricket Committee, Saurav Ganguly attended the event as chief guest. The theme for this year's conference is India Tomorrow, Economic Supremacy Through Supply Chain Transformation.
Question number 13. Which country is set to remove the Taliban from the list of terrorists?
Answer is Russia. Russia is set to remove the Taliban from its list of banned terrorist organizations 3 years after the group regained power in Afghanistan. This move comes after years of Russia fostering relations with the Taliban, including holding multiple rounds of talks and boosting trade despite international sanctions. Kazakhstan had already removed the Taliban from its list of banned organizations at the end of 2023, a move that Russia is now set to follow. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.